Imagine this, your Las Vegas auto repair shop buried on page 10 of Google, lost forever? Not anymore. The digital race is fierce, but SEO is your secret weapon. Think local keywords are boring? Think again. Las Vegas car repair can drive droves of customers right to your door. Here's the twist. Voice search is turning the tables. People say, not type. Are you ready? Mobile optimization isn't optional. It's survival. Faster sites, happier drivers, more bookings. Emotional punch, your reputation lives online. Reviews are gold. Shine brighter and watch your business explode. Ready to dominate the Las Vegas auto scene? What's your SEO strategy? Comment below and let's shift your business into high gear.